Coinbase or Kraken, which crypto exchange should you actually use in the US? They're both legit, but they're built for different types of traders. Let's break down the real differences. Coinbase is the largest and most popular crypto exchange in America. It's known for being super beginner-friendly with a clean, simple interface. You can buy, sell, and store crypto easily, and it's fully regulated and publicly traded. Perfect if you're new to crypto and want something that just works. Kraken is one of the oldest crypto exchanges. Been around since 2011. It's more advanced, offering lower fees, more cryptocurrencies, and powerful trading tools like margin trading and futures. It's built for traders who know what they're doing and want better pricing and more control. Fees and costs. This is huge. Coinbase charges around 0.5% to 1.5% per trade on the basic app, which adds up fast. Coinbase Pro, now called Advanced Trade, has lower fees starting at 0.4%, but still higher than Kraken. Kraken's fees start at 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers, and drop even lower with volume. If you're trading regularly, Kraken saves you serious money. Coinbase is convenient but expensive. Security and safety, both are rock solid here. Coinbase is FDIC insured for your USD deposits and keeps 98% of crypto in cold storage. It's a publicly traded company, so there's extra oversight. Kraken also uses cold storage, has never been hacked in its history, and offers proof of reserves. Both require two-factor authentication and have strong security practices. Tie here, both are trustworthy. User experience. Coinbase wins on simplicity. The interface is clean, buying crypto takes seconds, and everything is designed for beginners. The mobile app is excellent. Kraken's interface is more complex with advanced charts and trading options. It's powerful but can feel overwhelming if you're new. Coinbase is easier, Kraken is more capable. Depends what you need. Available cryptocurrencies. Coinbase supports around 240 plus cryptocurrencies. That's a lot, but Kraken offers even more. Over 200 with way more trading pairs, including smaller altcoins you won't find on Coinbase. If you're hunting for niche projects, Kraken gives you more options. For mainstream coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, both have you covered. Advanced features. Kraken destroys Coinbase here. It offers staking with better rates, margin trading up to 5 times leverage, futures contracts, and over-the-counter trading for large orders. Coinbase has basic staking and learning rewards, but it's nowhere near as feature-rich. Active traders will prefer Kraken's toolkit. Customer support. Coinbase has phone support and live chat, which is rare for crypto exchanges. Kraken offers 24/7 live chat and email support. Both have gotten better, but Coinbase edges slightly ahead with phone support availability. Choose Coinbase if you're new to crypto, want the easiest experience, and don't mind paying higher fees for convenience and strong customer support. Choose Kraken if you're serious about trading, want lower fees, more cryptocurrencies, and advanced tools like margin trading and staking. Both are safe. It's really about whether you value simplicity or savings. Which platform are you using? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, hit like and subscribe for more crypto content. Trade safe.